If I can't record it, then no way. Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Rahul is an Indian Army officer who is traveling by train back to his hometown. The train comes to a halt over a small canal in the outskirts of Delhi. Uh, Rahul, uh, Rahul is just surfing through his phone when he hears the shriek of a mother. She screams that her son had fallen into the into the canal while he was playing near the gate of the train. Rahul rushes to the door and jumps in order to save the young boy, and swims to the shore. And by the time the TC has been informed by the others, and the Rahul and the boy both have been saved, and the mother thanks Rahul for his effort.
Okay. Now, what do you have to say, Ronnie?
So the way he explained, firstly, he had to take a few major steps because directly he said he jumped off the train to save
Okay.
a child.
Hold it.
So
Before we talk about it, you recollect when we talked about certain amount of coherence. Did we talk about coherence or not? Yes or no? Did we talk about something coherence?
temporal caution.
Yeah, some coherence we talked about, isn't it? I think. Uh, okay, we talked about your story must have temporal coherence. What is temporal coherence? What is first that is telling the story in clear and clear chronological way. Even be next year, causal coherence. What is cause and effect relationship? Third is thematic coherence. And fourth is cultural concept of biography. They're the four things we talked about it. Right. Now, what is the step that he's taken, Ronnie? Now tell me.
He has jumped off the train to save the child directly.
Now it has come. Very nice. What has done after? Has someone pulled the chain after that?
No, no, no.
Who is
Just
it?
the TT is informed.
TC informed. The TC will inform whom? Would the train stop for
Just
them? Or would the guard already move? Has he
they've
gone
already moved
alone?
actually.
Has he, what advantage has he taken the people in and around? Is it a clear? We have talked, recollect back, we talked following things about you should have first and foremost, who's the hero? Ronnie. Who's the
The
Ronnie?
Rahul.
Rahul. Who is the? So what is the hero should do? First is the theme. Let's talk about hero is Rahul. What has he done? He's dynamic, very nice, good. He jumps. And then what happens after that? Does the train start? Does the train go? Do they go beyond that? Has the aim been maintained? Tell me, has the aim been maintained?
He has just saved the child and returned to the
It's just the
village.
same track. So it is all being wishful. How can he jump from there? The canal. Now, canal, even if it's front, remember, whenever train is passing through a canal, it has got certain boundaries available.
Boundaries, pillars, yeah.
It is never a pure system, very rarely. Probably it may be there. And if the train is moving at a fast speed, if the fast speed, then the train has to, when it stops, then it jumps. A child, how old was the child?
Sir, in the story, the train has come to a complete stop
Okay.
and over the canal.
How old was the child?
Okay, sorry.
My question, how old was the child?
I just said a
How,
young boy.
so you just say you're 80, you're just trying to take your jump into the from where now from imagine from the train jumping onto you remember a paradox Captain Saab just on he was operation was he is remain inside the
Water. Yes,
water
sir.
itself. What will happen to you? What is correct? Taking risk knowingly. When you take a risk, there should be success. Success, probability of success. What is the probability of success in this case? You are alone. Where were you standing? How long did it take for you to reach that site? Why did the only person? Did other person also help you? You remain only one single hero. So now here it is, you just want to show that you are a hero. It is need of the hero is exposition. It is unrealistic. Is it realistic? Tell me. Is it realistic? Can you ever do this? I said, I have recollected when we talked about it, you cannot afford to grow wheat on Mars. You cannot afford to wheat on Mars. Probably yes. If the train has stopped, he will get the people on. They inform the people who pull that, told someone to pull the chain, let the train move. Probably yes. Then with the help of people, they went around, they tried to save the child, came back, and that's it. Story. It has to be a story. You have just one line. You jumped, saved. Only action, only two, isn't it? Right. Only two line action. What are the two line action? You jumped in the and saved the child. Is there any other action? Any other details?
No, sir.
Where do we go? After having modified your story, you have to come back to this one. What is used? Can we make it a better story, Ronnie? Now, let's think about it. Let's think about it. How can you make a better story?
So the story which I have written, it was like an attempt of theft actually. So
Ronnie, forget about it now. What you written that we are. Can we make this story a better story? Let's think about it. Sir. How can you make it better? Let the plot be think the same. A child has fallen from the train and train has stopped. What action to be taken?
Firstly, he has to pull the chain and
train is already stopped. So he has to detail someone. He has detailed someone.
He has to tell someone from the train for moving.
So the first precaution will have been taken. The train does not move, isn't it?
No, yeah. Yes,
then he has to take precaution with some other people also, with a group of people, friends of people who are traveling. Balls of them got down around there. You can always say that canal was very, very small. Small, very say he jumped into the breath and whole people came back and then the train started back again. Probably we can think it. That is how we have to make it. So your story should flow.
Right, sir.
Is it flowing? Tell me. So the problem is, what is the need here? Need of the hero is to expose दिखाना मैं बहुत पहलवान आदमी हूँ. You know, all those people जो आपके हरियाणा में जो पहलवान बनते हैं ना, they keep on showing their body. So you want to exposition हो गया तेरा काम. You have taken it. Is it taken risk knowingly? You are just jumping from where? You have taken. You will be stranded. You will left behind. Next, what you talked about scoring the theme. So theme which you have written does not form part of the realistic story. Outcome you have just said only yes, saved. How? No details given. Has it been given? Okay. Next, we talk about nomothetic. Nomothetic is the efforts of practice establishing norms for answer from which subject to sacrifice age. Does it matter? Yes, it matters. It is your age and time because you can take a plunge, you are 18, 20, you can do that. What ideography refers to evaluating the unique feature of the subject. What is the unique feature of them? How would the unique be? You are irrational. You are irrational, aren't you? You are just jumping in. You are not in a position to think properly. You are not able to organize things properly. Okay, next come back here. Now, okay, now let's come back to the original where we were there. Okay. A story can be simple or familiar or complex. Does it have complexity in the story? No. Confused. Is there clarity in the story? No.
No.
You have described the boy has fallen. Yes, that you describe the problem. Very nice. But after how much time? Read that. When you describe the boy has fallen? You have described Rahul was going hometown, and after that, sometime then he read canal and he heard a shriek of the lady. How much line have passed till then?
So 3 lines.
3 lines, is it? And when you've written that boy has fallen in the 4th line.
Yes, sir.
Am I right? So yes. Now if you have out of 13 lines that you can maximum write, 4 lines have just gone into
problem.
Description of problem is boys have fallen. So you could have simply written While traveling to Delhi, Ram or Rahul was there, saw a boy falling into the canal. That could have been done in one line. You have been verbose for nothing. After that, content, action. What is action? You jump. So only one action is there. Would you get any? Overall success is a blissful success. Success realistic? No. Could you utilize the allotted time? No. You waste your time.
Right, sir.
Next is receptivity. What you have understood? Yes, you have understood what was given. Logical conclusion, illogical. So reasonability is questionable. You're inquiring a curiosity. You just heard a cry and you jumped. Who did you say that he has fallen? How do you take action around there? Can he give the? Why should you jump? Could there be other way of doing saving the child? Why couldn't it be done? You have not talked about it. Can you understand the problem that happened or going to happen? You are unable to think what is going to be available. So you are unable to plan. So reasonability is gone. Is his thought making sense? No. Is there any background for conclusion? No, you just say jump and save the child. Is he making any sense? So that's the problem. So both these particular qualities becomes questionable.
Right, sir.
Now, yes, now where you score on this, but in spite of the problem, that social adaptability comes into play. What is social adaptability? Does it talk about the other person? Yes, you are trying to helpful cooperation. Probably you would give help to others, which you yourself many times tell, I would love to help others. Did you say this or not?
Yes, sir.
So that really comes off the system, probably sense of responsibility. So they are all things, they are all possible. They're nothing in this particular part, but main thing is that I will start only if I am very clear about the effective intelligence.
Reasonability, yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Can we have the second story now? Okay, so now so that is where you can afford to understand how the things are going to be there. Okay, next. Tell me now, next story.
So the other one was
just read out the story, yeah. Don't worry. I have got the slide. Don't worry about it.
So it's the same one that I did not change this one.
What is story? Read out. Don't read out.
Rekha and Rahul were two young people of 22 and 23 years of age. Both of them had completed their engineering from IIT Delhi. Rekha in computer science, whereas Rahul in mechanical. One day they went out for a walk where Rekha told Rahul about how her parents wanted her to marry while she wanted to get a job. On seeing this, Rekha broke down and started crying. Rahul consoled her and told her that she was a wonderful engineer. He made her realize her potential and told her that she has she has a lot of years in front of her where she can work, get a wonderful job. He also helped Rekha put out her points in front of her parents, and her parents were moved and let Rekha get a job and marry at her own age.
Now, Ronnie, you analyze this story.
Firstly, the problem was she wanted to study, and while her parents wanted to get her married.
Very nice. Okay.
But the problem was again described about 4th or 5th line because it took a lot of time to describe them.
Okay. Next. What is the need? In this case, a boy is getting affiliated to a girl for nothing. That's okay. And how is solving the problem? Only on the verbal front. Is he taking any action?
No, sir.
Is there any action in this story? Except for guiding that you can do better, has he done anything beyond this?
No, sir.
Yes, tell me, Kapish. Have you talked anything about more than this?
No, sir.
So what should be done now? Now let's adjust how can we do it better. So what is that? Give me first element. What is the need? Here you are affiliated with a girl. You know, out of 27, need for sex comes to play. Unfortunate, but that is a fact. That comes to play. That is human. That is nothing to be worried about. That's a part of us. That is nothing wrong. But is beyond that, what is there? You should take action. What action will be taken? Okay, we have talked about, you remember I talked another way of analyzing business. What other thing we say? What is the type of success? Is it a, what is the type of success in this case?
Self-mastery. She actually mastered herself.
See, who is the hero?
Rahul. Yes, sir.
What is he? What is master? What is, there's no, what has he done? What type of ability? Remember, as a definite success can be fame, high level of success, mastering tasks, situational success, relative harmony. So it's a relational harmony. What is it? Relational harmony.
Relational harmony.
You are trying to maintain a good relationship. That's all. That happens to be by nature. You are a helpful person which you want to help. It is from story number 1 to story, it has come to the same thing. Next comes, who do you think this success is attributed to? We say, first we talked about what is the type of success, relational harmony. Then what is the attribution of success to whom?
Rahul.
No, what is except for suggestion? Has he given anything?
No, sir.
Except for building confidence that you are good at it, has he done anything? Batao mere ko na.
No, sir. Right.
So attribution of success is in either innate talent. What is talent? The Rahul ka kya talent hai? Nothing. Personal effort, help of others, faith, fate, or chance. No attribution. In this case, you are trying to give that you have got faith in yourself that ठीक सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, भगवान ठीक कर देगा. What is the attribution of success? Faith. Have belief in yourself and you will succeed. Have you done anything beyond this? Bolna.
No, sir.
Okay, then has the problem resolved?
Not clear.
Yes, sir.
What? Has he become successful?
Sir, the relation.
Has he become successful? Your problem was to help the girl to become successful. Has she become successful? Has the marriage been avoided?
Right, sir.
Has the marriage been avoided? Tell me.
So the marriage has been avoided, but yes, I did not speak more about the job aspect.
What did you just say? Is a poor performance. A very poor performance. What have you done? Resolve success by giving us advice. You expect the things to come back. Would it ever happen? Have you given adequate detail? Next comes adequacy. Concern for adequacy. Have you given details of adequacy? Are details sufficient? No. Okay. What is source of external pressure?
The parents.
No.
Parents,
no. As far as he is concerned, there is no pressure. He is a friend of her. Pressure is on the girl, not on the boy. Who is the hero? It's the boy, not the girl, isn't it? So until there is a pressure, there is a complexity. Kahan se banega? Okay. Now interpersonal is good, but he happens to be maintaining good relation with the girl. I think it's fair enough. That's the relation is okay. Now what is the effect? Effect is what you feel: anxiety, anger, positive, happy, sad, depressed, flat, numb, shame, upset, bad. Which is the type? What is the express effect in this case? Batao mere ko. If your friend is in a anxiety, she's in anxiety. Anxious, isn't it? Anxious because anxiety is there or not. So what have you become? You also become anxious. That's okay. Let's go. So what is that? So level, if I analyze the story based on this type of, then there is nothing great into the system. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can you make a better story now? Can you think, okay, both of you now think of a story. Make the story. Let's take something now. Since can we afford to think? Okay, Ronnie, start a story. Think about it without anything, because what Kapil says, he is unable to think what story should be talked about, isn't it? Kapil, that's the problem.
Yes, sir. Sir, What would you make of the story, the
Don't ask me
second
questions.
one?
Don't ask or ask. You make a story now. Good story. Make a good story.
So on this one,
Yeah.
okay.
But I don't want anything else to be coming across. I want a story onto this. Jaldi, quickly, let's not waste time. I think we have got enough long way to go.
Hello, one of you tell the story, Ronnie or Kapish.
Sir,
Who wants to say? Okay, you say.
No, sir, I was about to write about the story.
अरे forget right लिखना तो बाद में सोचो ना यार थीम तो सोचो ना यार.
No, so it's a scene of accident, so we can consider it like
Is it
like
accident?
a hero is.
It was not accident. I'm talking about the boy and girl which were there. I'm talking about that.
It's a previous one. I'm speaking about the current.
That is what I'm talking about it.
So maybe you can do something about family reunion, like the boy is returned back to his family after a long time. And
Ronnie, तुम लोग कहाँ पर कुछ तो कहानी बोलो ना यार. Don't waste my time. Let's think about good story.
थोड़ी बताओ ना.
कहानी बोलो. ये तो कहानी बोलने का कोई फायदा नहीं है ना बेटा. There's no use.
Sir, a husband and a wife, and there's some work pressure on the wife.
Very good.
And the husband helps her cope up with the pressure by helping her. She's a teacher, and her lesson plan. He helps her out with the lesson plan, and all.
Are you married? Are you married? What is your age?
17.
You're repeating the same story. I told you your need becomes wrong. Story heroes should be of same age and sex. What you have done? You got in the same mood.
Right, sir.
Correct? Now think of bolo to kuch ho yaar.
Sir, Rahul, a 26-year boy, was working in a private company, in a foreign company. He had returned back to his house after a long time. So he had planned a family reunion, but he wanted to keep the surprise of element as a surprise. So when he reached his house, his sister was totally shocked seeing Rahul and got emotionally. So the scene describes the.
So what is the action of the hero? Not tell me.
There's no action, but why like they can plan a.
Again, what is the action of the hero? He has come back home after working from outside, and his family becomes happy. How does it mean?
Which he can organize a family. So organizing ability comes
out of 15 qualities, which qualities emerge?
Now after that they can plan a family trip, and then organizing ability comes into play, like how we organize the whole trip.
Again, what is more important first? Reasoning ability, effective intelligence. How it is coming? बोलना भाई तुम लोग को जो ऐसे तुम लोग बोलते हो, you people create a problem for me then. Huh? Okay. Now I'm just trying to put across. Okay. I'm telling you, hold it. There may not be good story, bad story. Look at, read it.
So, the boy of class 12, once he was going to school over a bridge, he heard sound of and screaming. He looked down the bridge, saw one person was drowning. Then he quickly jumped into the river, and there was a current in the river. Then also Shubham, with its effort and hard work, took the man to the bank of river safely. He laid him down on the ground and pushed his chest in order to take out the water, took with him and left him to his house.
Okay. Now tell me, is it a better story than what you've written?
School over a bridge heard a loud sound. Sir, he's not directly jumping from a train.
He's a boy who is standing outside. He's standing outside.
Outside.
Even if a boy falls from the ground, from the train, he's outside. What I'm thinking is that you have to open your mind. Okay, you have to open your mind first. There was a current in the river when, so now you imagine, has he tried to give some
That is a
details?
press. Yes, so there was a press as well.
Very simple. But he was a boy going over bridge. He heard a sound of screaming. He looked down the bridge without any, saw that one person was drowning. Quickly, he did not talk him that he had fell from the train. That's the only thing the problem. He has missed the train part. But he's looking, main person is drowning. Is it drowning? Jumping is drowning. Jumped in the river, and there was a current in the river. Then he also, Subham, with its effort and hard work, he is not scared. If the man took the bank river safely, he lied him down. He's taking first a ground, pushed his chest in water, take out the water, took with him and left him to his house. Has he completed the task complete or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So let's take another story.
Ram is a very good student of class 12. He is very much motivated to join NDA. He has cleared UPSC and today is going to SSB Center, Allahabad. He took the blessing of his parent and started his journey. In the way at station, he saw some children shivering due to cold as it was January month. So Ram gave them some of his clothes. After this, he reached his SSB center and cleared SSB and subsequently medical also. Finally, joined India and became an Air Force officer.
He's a very smart chap. How is he smart? He is imagining that the train is static. And as he had got inside the train, he found a boy shivering around the system. He has come back. He said, "Mera kammal to le lo yaar." Look at it. What I am trying to tell you, it is your own imagination which is going to go through. Possible or not possible? So why are people restricting you? So you ask me, well, what is next? Batao mere ko kya hoga? Read the next one. Mind you, this gentleman, he has no brain. He was a sports car, very good sport. He has absolutely no brain. He was good in outdoor. And they said, shared, and he would always clear it off. All his story, many story, I'll show it to you from this gentleman has written, and always was a simple. Read the next one.
Rohan, a 20-year boy, was interested in mountaineering. He wanted to scale the height of highest peak. He was staying in the town where mountains were not available, so he managed to practice along the terrace and stair of his house for practice. He also made things available for assisting him to be a good mountaineer. He practiced day in and day out. He practiced hard and he got chance to go to HMI through school. He trekked the maximum height and became the only boy from his native place to make it. He continued to do so and later he got national recognition. He
Now
started to...
What is done? This gentleman, another smart idiot. He was, I don't know, what they call academy adjutant or what was that? That is the probably is no school adjutant and what they could call it, the person on there. Another person who was from a very, very lower middle class, very, very lower. If he won't have gone to India, he won't have got a two bread. It's a fact around that. And this gentleman started working. Look at very smart, his smartness. He has mixed up the train inside the system itself. Why he's going to HMI? He's going to HMI. And he's practiced everything and he's all his qualities. This is how the qualities are emerging. I'm talking the same thing. Is it or not? Now look at the next one. Read it here. Kapish, read it.
Paramjit was studying in class 12th. He was good at academics. Once his class was given a project in biology. Param and his friends referred internet and various books and presented the project on migratory birds. Because of the hard work of Param and his friends, the project was liked by the whole school. The class was taken on an educational tour to Run of Kutch in Gujarat. Param saw beautiful flamingos flying in the Run of Kutch while going in the train, which is one of the birds he mentioned in his project.
Is it another way of looking at it? Is he talking about the train? Yes or no? Is he talking about the train or not? What I'm telling you, must take it in, not necessarily the code. It is the, now let's take what you, since you people are stuck on that, read this story. Let's see if he's good or bad.
Rohan is a boy of age 18. Once he was sitting in the garden, saw that one little girl, while swinging on a swing, fell down on the ground and blood was coming out of her head. He quickly rushed there to take the girl, pressed her head with a cloth in order to stop the blood, took her to a nearby hospital and admitted her. There also he informed her parents. She got well.
So this scene he has taken taken as a part of informing the parent. Correct. What I'm telling you have to be smart enough. You have to think about this. What is that there's need for you to open up? Has he taken the scene or not? Has he avoided it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Read the next one.
Kapil is a very good student of class 12th. He is also a very good painter. Once in his school, there was a painting competition held. All of the students participated in the competition. Kapil made a photo of still scenery of Ramayana where Ma Sita is confronted by Hanuman. Kapil's art was selected as the best painting and he qualified for the district level competition. In the district level championship, Kapil drew a Madhubani painting.
He has taken that scene to be the वहां पर क्या झाजी है, ये मधुबनी का झाजी है, दिमाग कुछ नहीं है, पोथी भी पढ़ने नहीं आता, लेकिन लिखता वही जो लिखना चाहिए उचित है. Can you penalize this chap? Let's have it. Next one. Read it.
Rahul is a student of Ohan. Rahul, a 20-year-old boy, was very interested in mountaineering. He wanted to scale the height of the highest peak.
Okay, the same story. It's the same story. Galti likha hai. Okay, read it. Okay.
Ram was studying in class 12th. One day he saw a girl of 11th crying. He asked the girl her problem. The girl said she was new to the school. She was a Tamil medium student and good in academics, but with medium in English, it was difficult for her to understand things. Ram said not to worry and taught her to understand, speak, and write English with whole-hearted interest. The girl also learnt English and got the first mark in the class. One day of Raksha Bandhan, she tied Rakhi to Ram and showed her gratitude and thanked him for his caring.
Another way of looking at it, he should have given bit more detail. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Bit more details. Because after only making her write, it means he has taken time for quite some time to make her learn understand English. Is it or not? She could have given for every 1 hour after the class. They used to sit together. They talk about it. Used to take a library. So give more details. That's all. I'm trying to tell you the theme. What I'm trying to tell you, people. This all it has none of them have been written by me. I have quoted, taken up from whatever people have written. If they have written, why can't you do it? Okay, read the next one. This is story. Okay, read your story. Kapis.
Mohit was a cab driver. One day he was on his way back late at night when he saw two men molesting a girl on the abandoned road. He honked in his car in order to scare them, while he called the police. When the two men took the girl and ran towards the jungle, Mohit got out of his car and followed them. The two men started...
So I have told you not to write this. I told you why couldn't you afford to improve? Didn't I tell you that is the worst thing which can ever happen? One story thing and that has killed you around there. You have said earlier I said need for yes. I have not this country, not the third or fourth story coming back around there. It simply indicates that the company that you are giving are not so good. You people amongst your people who are talking all trash with the people in and around with you. Please avoid the environment that you keep people, that friends that you are keeping it, avoid them. They are not the right people. Are you getting my point? What I'm telling Kapis?
Yes, sir.
Totally, I'm 200% sure that all the people of your age and group who are discussing, you would have been talking all trash. And this is the effect of the environment which is corroding you. Why should it happen? Firstly, you have talked about molestation is unsocial activities. And then what you have done, you are looking at it being molested, or you didn't even have the courage to go about it to help him around there. So it means lack of courage. Your stamina, your mental, your physical and mental, you will not take risk. By honking, why should they run away? And they have taken the girl into the forest area, and then you are trying to go and tell the police. By the time, what will happen? All unfortunate things would have happened by then. What is your use? What have you done? What is action? One story is sufficient. No person. It is called unangularity. You cannot afford to go beyond this. One story is sufficient. And I have discussed your story. I have also requested you to rewrite your story. You didn't even make an effort to write your story. And you are trying to come back and say, I wrote, wrote one story. If that is the way, well, that means then you're wasting time. You're not trying to develop. My aim is to develop. If you write this way, then the worst thing can ever happen. Forget about passing and failing. You should really learn from us to be a good human, develop yourself, remove all wrong companies. I'm quite clear about it, the companies are not good. Now read the story that here. Read the story here.
Neeraj is a boy of class 12th. One day he was on. Once there was an expedition on traffic control day. He took part in it. Neeraj is good in as good in computer science. Made several PPT poster banner with all his effort describing about all the traffic rules and regulations. On the day of exhibition, he presented all his presentation as he was appreciated by all, and he got opportunity to present his poster and banner at the mass level to public for their awareness.
So he could have made it. Then what he's done, he has taken this as a presentation so that sits down there. He has removed the negativity. It's my aim to put the say the picture that I showed, I want to illustrate, I want to take out some complex that you are in. Do the next one.
Ramesh is the DM of Darbhanga district. He was on a morning walk when he saw an accident in which a cyclist was struck by a car. Ramesh immediately went up to him. The car driver also came running to the place. Both of them took him up to the side of the road. They gave him the first aid and took him to the hospital by the car. The injury was not so major and the doctor told not to worry. Ramesh informed the family members of the injured person. Later, Ramesh thought to spread awareness on this issue. With the help of students, he organized some rallies. Accident rate went down very sharply in Darbhanga thereafter.
I told you, senseless person who doesn't have a brain, he can write this beautiful story. Isn't it good? Isn't it good?
Yes, sir.
And look at the greatness here. If the car driver also comes to head, look at, you have to point, you have to understand. When we analyze, we look at the fine prints. Here is the car driver also comes, he's not running away. So this accident has taken place not because the carelessness, there was something, but he's available. He's not running away. Has he run away?
No, sir.
So that is, look, brighter, the quality of a personality comes to these type of stories. That is where it comes back. Okay, read the next one.
Lakshman was a hard worker. He had completed his BE engineering and found a job in a big company. He was given more work as he was new to the company, but that did not make Lakshman tired. He took all the work with ease and did it cheerfully, effectively, and also submitted in time. So many workers in the office got motivated by him and did more work effectively. As a result of hard and effective work of Lakshman, the company's the company's productivity increased.
Is it related? It is unrelated to the
story.
To the impulse, mind you. I'm not trying to say that. It is unrelated to the impulse. Though it's a good story, but it does not indicate good about the system. He has avoided impulse. Has he avoided or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Okay. Read the next one.
Sir, Rahul was a sportsman, and one day in an accident he had lost his leg. He was devastated by the accident, and but this did not stop him. He took up another sport, that is shooting, and he practiced. He did the basic training, and then he went on for advanced training for 10-meter shooting. Later, he worked hard and represented his country in Olympics, in Paralympics, and got gold medal for his country.
Okay, Kapish, read me what you have written.
So the earlier one.
No, this story you are still thinking and making out now.
So I had jotted down the points to improve this.
No, I have not written the story. So that's my point. What you are telling, you are thinking. That's exactly I'm telling. You have not written the story. You're thinking on the spot, you may have thought idea to go, but that you are talking about it. Grant me that much, looking at it, I know what is happening. You have not read it, you're just looking at it, you are trying to improve, that's nothing wrong. But what is there? In spite of that, you have come to, because since you have not written the story, you have created all the muck for yourself. Why? Any person, hero cannot be short, cannot fall. You are pessimist, it's a pessimistic story. And I have warned you not to write that. And then you are talking devastated, anxious, the word you use devastated. Firstly, you have not written it. That could make out from the face itself. That is sufficient indicator for me. And secondly, you are trying to again cover up. And as a result, since you are not written, you are creating a problem out of creating. एक झूठ बोलने के लिए दो तीन झूठ बोलना पड़ता है. So the problem comes up here. Since you did not put an effort to analyze and write a story after having discussed the 4 days have passed by. 4 days you did not think it proper to even rethink it. Well, that is the status now. Where do you go? Now read it.
Sham is a boy of age 17 and he was a good dancer. Once he participated in dance competition. One day he was going to his home. He met an accident and some problem in his leg, but then also worked hard day and night and got first position. He was selected for district level as they were there also with his hard practice came first and got selected to the national dance competition for that he practiced hard and learned new skills and also came first. He was adjourned first. He was adjourned first there.
I'm still not happy with this word that he's got some problem in his leg. That's also wrong. Why should I bring it? I'm not happy again. Then okay, let's do the next one. What did it?
Jawar is a student of class 12. He is very studious and wants to be an engineer. He is prepared for the JEE mains and advanced. In the exam, he did very well and secured first rank in India in JEE advanced. He joined IIT Mumbai. After completion of his graduation, he got a top quality job in Google with a very high salary. Jawar had seen the problem of differently abled people and wanted to do something for them. He opened an NGO for that and financially supported it. The NGO also got the financial support from various celebrities. Many people who were differently abled were taught skills to earn money on their own. This NGO is recognized as a very good organization by the government.
If Kapil, if a boy of your capability, same age, can write this story, why can't you?
Right.
Look at the power of the story. What I'm trying to tell you, this is what makes a difference, no? Has he talked about anything that he himself got? He is trying to be different level. Now he's taken that as a part of the system for improvement of the system. Has he or not?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Ronnie, तुम तो यो तुझसे भी उसका भी प्रूव निकल गया भाई. Story गायब हो गया. Inspired telling that we were going to discuss this, we had taken a time and appointment, and you very coolly said, I don't have written. What do I do?
Sir, I'll call my mother and ask her to send picture. I'll forward you know.
That we don't have time, Ronnie. We cannot not available for every day. I think we have already missed out quite a bit of time for you. It's not the way it is. Okay, go ahead, read the next one.
Ganesha was a man of 24 years old. He was kind-hearted. He was born with a lame leg, but he never felt he was disabled, nor stopped him reaching for his success. From his young age awards, he learned everything what ordinary people can do, including swimming. He has great interest in swimming. He worked and practiced more to excel in it. At last, hard work led to a victory in Paralympics. With victory and the money he got, worked for people like him who are still outside.
Your same thing he has written in different fashion, but it's a better. I cannot penalize this chap because he is born with that. He is born with the disablement.
Right, sir.
So that's a different.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Read the next one. Read the next story which you written.
So for this one, Radha was a young girl of 10 years of age, where Rahul was her elder brother of 17 years. One day, Rahul took Radha to a park to let her play. Radha was playing on the swings when Rahul went to get a bottle of water. When he returned, he saw Radha crying. He consoled her and asked what happened. It turned out that Radha was bitten by a honeybee on a snake. Rahul quickly swung into
What?
action action and cleaned the wound and went and home and poured some antacid, which saved Radha a great deal of pain. Rahul advised Radha never to go near such beehives again.
What do I do to you? I told, take a. Have you heard the story of Hammerman who used to kill people around there? Take a hammer and hit yourself. That's the only way you can improve. You are writing a story by a honeybee biting a girl, and that you think that you will pass. Which qualities emerge here? Which qualities emerge? Tell me. बताओ मेरे को, रोनी.
No, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है।
क्या हो रहा है भाई? Look and read this story. Ronnie, read it.
Lokesh, a boy of class 12, once he was going to his uncle's home at railway station, saw that one girl of age 8 sitting on a chair weeping. Lokesh gone to her, inquired, and found that the girl lost her parents when she came down from train to have water. Lokesh immediately asked her address, took her and gone to search her parents, and after a lot of searching for more than 4 hours, found them and returned the girl to them, and then also returned to his home.
Next.
Rohan is a boy of 17 years. He is young. He has a younger sister of over 10 years. She wanted to be an IAS officer. As she was very much inspired by Kiran Bedi, Rohan also supported her and also told her to pursue her aim. In another 3 years, Rohan became an Air Force officer and helped her sister in all ways possible. He bought her necessary books and guides. He also helped her in studies whenever she needed. His sister worked for him aim day and night and finally achieved her aim. After this, both
Same brother
siblings
sister
opened
story,
an
is it different? Kapis.
Yes, sir.
देखो. Okay, read it. Next one.
Hanuman was a student of class 12. On the way home from school, he found a small girl crying. He asked the girl what was the problem. He found that the girl was lost her way to home. Hanuman said her not to cry and took her to his home, where he got her phone number and called the parents of the child. The girl's parents came. Hanuman advised the girl not to go alone without assistance of parents or anyone. The girl thanked Hanuman and went with her parents.
Okay. Read the next one. Kapis.
Reema and Rajesh were a happily married couple. It was the anniversary when Rajesh took Reema to a jewelry store to buy her a necklace. There was one person who suddenly snatched a necklace and ran away. Rajesh, being a para officer, ran after him, and after a chase of around 15 minutes, he was able to capture the crook. The crook was handed over to the police, and the jewelry jeweler thanked Rajesh for his efforts.
अरे कपिल, ईस्टर्न यूपी वेस्टर्न यूपी इतनी धांधली होती है क्या? तो हमने सोचा बिहार में लाठी चलती गोली चलता है यार, चोरी चमारी सब सारी वेस्टर्न यूपी में होता है क्या? हाँ? Why this corrosion of the environment has taken your place यार? ये बताओ मेरे को ना. Why are you writing all sorts of negative and this stories around them? Are you happy with it? And even I told you in the morning, you must rewrite your story. We'll discuss it all. I have not even made a single effort to do that. Read the story. Don't worry, I can do little about it. Read it.
Amit, a doctor who recently completed his education,
Only read
when he
it.
returned to his
Kapis, read it back. That is Kapis.
Amit, a doctor who recently completed his education, when he returned to his village, found that at government hospital proper facilities and medicine were not provided. So he talked to his elder sister, who was DM of that district. Amit made a plan with her to build a hospital. So he gets sanctioned land and money with the help of his sister and for the hospital. So much of obstruction came in the path, but they overcame all and built a hospital within 6 months, which
It
had
is
all the
not just like you should talk about the my center, something you could talk about. This is not certain story to be, but it is a positive one. Read the next one.
Mohan, Kavita, and Suchit are very good friends, and they study in class 12. Once the literature teacher gave them a task to organize group discussion on the topic causes of hampering of women. They started to prepare on the topic and also asked the volunteers. On the given day, the competition was held, and the students participated in that. The principal appreciated the
You have to
efforts
get
of
in
the
more
part.
detail. They could have given more details. You given more details.
Details.
Okay, next. Read it.
Raja was a student of class 12. One day, while playing football with his friends in the near his home, he found a gold ring. He could not find anyone in the ground other than his friends. He remembered his parents always note that no number and symbol engraved in the back of the ring, so that they can be found if lost. So he immediately looked for the mark of it. After inquiring many jewelry shops, at last, he found the rightful owner of the ring. He returned the ring and said him not to repeat this again. The
Is it a good story? Something different? It shows the honesty. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Read the next one.
Vikram was a student of class 12. He had come back to his he had come back to his hometown where he attended a fair. While during the fair, in one of the tents there was a fire suddenly broke out. He and his friends they organized a small party to evacuate the people, and they gave first aid to the rescuers. Fortunately, there was no loss of human life, and the loss of property was
Okay.
contained.
Okay. Now, Kapish, you have tried to improve that story that first time, but you still remain the coherence is gone. You have gone the sequence is missing. It doesn't talk about the story. The flow is missing. Flow is you are
Missing.
abrupt. You are abrupt. You are changing from one place to another. I know that you were written earlier, still you have changed it wrong. That is, I still remember the story that you have told me earlier. Okay, but that is not the way. Read it here. That's it.
Abhishek is a boy of age 18 when he
It is time for Ronnie. Read it.
Abhishek is a boy of age 18. When he was returning his school, saw that one house caught fire and people outside crying for help because one small boy was stuck inside the house. Quickly, Abhishek ran towards the building, gone inside the house, found the door was locked from inside. Then he broke the door with all his effort, took the boy in the blanket, and came out of the building safely and handed over the
So
boy to his
he
parents.
could have done more thing because what is to be done about the fire? He should have done about the fire also. More details because the problem has not been solved. Boy is only one. What action have you taken for the fire? Okay. Read the next one, Ronnie.
Raja is a student of class 12 and he's very keen to read articles related to environment. He read the article which told that through the industries are helping to grow the GDP of the country leaps and bounds, but at the same time the environment is getting affected by them. He researched on the topic and thought to do something. In the science exhibition, he made a model industry in which the gaseous as well as solid waste could be neutralized before releasing it outside. This model was liked by all and forwarded to state government. The government forwarded it for national science exhibition. His model was appreciated by all and adopted by all the industries.
Let's get more details. That's all. But at least the idea is good.
Yes, the concept was good.
Is it idea good? So what you look at is the idea part of it, the theme. We talked about, we analyze the story based on form, content, and theme. We have the three aspects. Is it on form, content, and theme?
Theme.
Okay. Read it now. Next one.
When Arjun was watching a movie, the theater screen caught fire. All the people started to panic. He remembered that his science teacher said that the formation of highly toxic carbon monoxide formed in presence of fire in closed places. He immediately, with the help of his friends, stopped the people from panicking and made the people to exit the theater in an order. Then they set off the fire with the help of fire extinguishers. All the people thanked Arjun for his presence of mind.
Let's go more details you have to run. That is okay. There is nothing wrong with it. Let's go more detail. Positivity is there. Okay, read the next one.
Right, sir. Ashutosh was a young boy of 18 years of age. One day, he and his friends were going on a road trip where, by the lake, where Ashutosh saw a man drowning. He, being an avid swimmer, asked his friends to stop the car and jumped into the lake to save the man. He swam to the to the drowning man and supported him so that he could help him swim back to the shore. Once they both of them got to the shore, Ashutosh pressured the chest of the man and helped him vomit out the water and saved his life.
Okay. Now the problem is like this. You have tried to how many lines have you written in this story? I know you have rewritten this.
Sir, around 11 or 12.
That story you have written, when you write, it will more than about 15 to 17 lines. You have taken at least 10-15 minutes to write it. Okay, because that is not going to forget. It is, I can make out what you have written. You have rewritten this story because earlier you said that you have some PTT and all something which you have talked about it.
Yes, sir. They were picnicking last time I said.
So you have changed the story. Fair enough. You have changed it, but those Pragati still the flow is not. It is missing. Okay.
Right, sir.
Good. At least your attempted is right. Okay. Read this.
Rohan was a boy of age 17. He was fond of swimming, so he took part in inter-school swimming camp. He practiced every day hard and learned types of styles to swim on. And on the day of camp, he came first and broke all records. Also got selected for district level swimming competition. For this, he prepared well, and his family also supported him in all the way. Also, he came first. He goes on to participate in national games and also got a coach. He learned new skills from the coach and also won it.
Anything wrong in this story?
Sorry, sir?
Anything wrong in this story?
I don't think so. No, sir.
So very clean. What I'm telling you, yes. Why do you have to drawing up? Why can't you think straight? And what can you have to keep it clear, realistic, and original? These are the three words as clear, realistic, and original. So until the clarity of thought and idea, confuse करने क्या फायदा यार? Read the next one.
Ravi was playing football with his friends when a girl came running to them, saying that her younger sister was drowning in a nearby river. Ravi, along with his friends, rushed to the spot. As they knew the art of swimming, so all of them jumped into the river. After a minute, they took the girl out of the water. They gave her the required first aid, after which she felt good. The girl thanked Ravi and his friends. After this, they resumed the game.
You look at causal. We will talk about temporal cause. He is why he jumped because all of them know the swimming. Has he talked about cause and effect? Is it or not? This is called causal coherence. Has he done it or not? Probably details more can be, but I think that's sufficient. That indicates that there's a risk-taking capability. They know what they have reason for that. Everything is right. Read it now. Next one.
Praveen was on the way to a birthday party of his friend. On the way, he found someone drowning in water. He immediately jumped into the water and saved the kid. He took the kid to the bank of the river and did first aid. After taking all the water the kid had swallowed, when drowning, the kid came to his consciousness. He took the kid to his home and informed his parents and advised the kid to be more careful in future. The kid and his parents thanked Praveen for his help.
The same thing comes into play. Okay. Read the story. This was a good story you written earlier, isn't it?
Yes.
Read out.
Rohit was a young boy of 16 years of age. He was watching the 2016 Olympics wherein he saw the event of high jump. Rohit was quite fascinated by the sport and contacted his sports teacher about the same.
How many lines have passed?
So 4.
In 4 lines, looking at the performance of what he decided with, can't you write in 1 line?
Right, sir.
4 lines करने के क्या मतलब है यार? While watching the Olympic round in forward, he also decided to become what was the player he wanted to. So the whole thing could have been written in 1 line.
Yes, sir.
Verbose without anything, it doesn't give you any effect. Next.
So, should I continue the story or?
Continue. There's only one good story you've written, तो उसको तो continue कर लो कम से कम.
The sports teacher recommended him to a sports facility where Rohit worked hard on the long jump, high jump. He used to get up early in the morning and used to run. Then after a few warm up exercises, he used to practice on the jump. Day in and day out, he worked hard and later represented his state in national level high jump and won gold.
I told you, you've written a better story. That I told you. That I told you initially. There's one. It's okay. Any doubt? Read the next one. Okay.
Shivam is a student of
Read the story. Read the story.
Sham, a boy of class 12 at National Sports School, was good in pole vault. He had won various championships. Once he was selected to the national games held in Delhi, he practiced hard with his coach, and on the day of event, he did his best and came first by breaking all previous records.
Read that.
Shivam is a student of class 12. He is very good athlete of his college and had won gold medal in pole vault in inter-house athletics competition. Today he was to participate in district level championship for which he had practiced day and night. Shivam won gold medal in the competition. He again won the gold and represented Bihar in
same thing continues. Okay, read the next one.
Shiva is studying in class 12th. He was good at academics and sports. He always aspired to become a good athlete. A pole vaulter. From his ninth onwards, he said his desire to his parents and eventually worked hard to reach his goal. He joined the club and got instructor and has practiced for the past 3 years. Because of his hard work and dedication, he became a good athlete at a very young age. He won many medals and levels to the school. He also motivated many.
Okay, done. Read the next one. Read the story.
Anuj was a young boy of 18 years of age. He had just joined the India and had done his first semester there. When he came back home, he was asked to pay the electric bill by his parents. He told them that he could do it online, but they insisted on going to the booth to pay it. When Anuj reached the booth, he saw a long line of people. No one knew about online modes of payment. He gathered his friends and all of them together told the villagers about the online payment procedures and taught them about other benefits like cashback. The villagers were happy to know a new facility and started paying their bills online.
हाँ भाई IT expert बोलो Ronnie. Tell me, IT expert, you are supposed to you are the ITC Infotech का मालिक हो भाई बताओ. Talk about this. Is it a good story?
Sir, he tried to make it out, but it's not possible actually.
Well, not possible नहीं. Possibility बात छोड़ो. Talk about what is wrong in this. Firstly, he's being critical of his parents wrong then. तुम क्यों देना चाहता है? मैं नहीं देना चाहता. He is trying to avoid. There's a interpersonal relation. There's a problem with his family. He will question everything that his father or mother tells him. Any elder, the very first line is a clear indicator of the interpersonal relationship. Any person who questions authority, he is a questioning one. That's the fundamental. And secondly, after that, going for teaching everyone that online payment ko cashback, what does it mean? He's everything he wants on the mental level. He doesn't want to soil his hand. And हमको आदमी चाहिए जब तक हाथ गंदा नहीं होगा तो मैकेनिक इंजीनियर कैसे बनेगा भाई? तुम कंप्यूटर नहीं उठाओगे तो you become मेरा अंदर सबको हाथ दिखाते गांव पर देखो ऐसे पेमेंट करना. Does it give you bread? From where would you get the money? What have you done? What is the great thing that you have done by now? आज के दिन बूढ़ी भी 90 साल की बुढ़िया भी हमारे जैसे जो हम लोग जब सीख सकते हैं कंप्यूटर वो भी सीख लेती है, वो भी मूवी देखती है. What have you done? Anything great? बोलना कभी tell me बोलो. Sometimes if you would have been near me ना बाहर मेरे तो 2-4 हाथ पड़ जाते तुम लोगों के भाई. That's I'm continuing to tell you. I'm very, I have very low tolerance for anything. But look, read it.
Saket, who is an engineering student, once he was going to his home, saw a big queue of people at a ticket counter. So he made the digital machine in which he put a name of a place and with the help of ATM card, will get the ticket within a second. He told his new innovation idea to his professor. They agreed with him and allowed him to work. So with the help of his parents, he made the machine and presented it to the railway department. which was accepted by them and produced to the mass
Okay,
level.
that was this is the time he talked about future when things were not existing. I'm talking about the old story in television. That was innovative things from there, but he has to give material. That's not very happy with the system, but still better than what is there. Is the next one?
Kavinandan was a very good student. He got a job in an MNC as he was good in all the fields. Since he was from a large village, when he went back to his village, he saw many talented youngsters jobless. He thought to open an industry for his company in his village. He talked about the facilities of the village as it was situated beside a river. There was availability of electricity and there were many dynamic youngsters waiting for jobs. CEO liked the idea in the meeting. The discussion was taken formally. The industry was opened in the village and the people got employment.
Is it better? Is it better or not?
It took it as a yes, sir.
He's not doing. He's a man in Kujama. He has at least told a reason why he can afford to establish system. Okay, read the next one.
Murugan is a boy of class 12. He learned the importance of donating blood for the good cause of saving others' life.
That was from San Nalanda.
He and his friends organized a blood donation camp on the Independence Day. So it would save many lives and also spread an awareness on what people would do in the society. For the past 1 week, he and his friends have worked hard for advertising about the blood donation camp and also personally informing many of his friends and relatives. On the day of Independence Day, many people came to the blood donation camp where they participated along with Murugan, his friends and teachers by donating their blood.
This could have still made more powerful. By just adding, he made it that 40 units of blood could be given every quarter. He ensured that his villagers start in a group so that in a year of, say, cycle of 40 or say 4 years, everyone donates a blood. That could have more powerful. Though you get credit for writing something different there. Okay, read out.
Rohit was the station master at railway station in Dhum, UP. One day, Rohit got a call from someone saying that there is a fault in the railway track. He, on hearing this, Rohit organized a party and led the party to check the credibility of the news. It was found to be true. Rohit came back to the station and managed.
How many lines have passed?
Sir, 7. This time.
7 lines में क्या होता है? Credibility check आता है. You have doubted that gentleman first itself. आगे चलो. Suspiciousness, you know, when it talked about the personality disorder, didn't we talk about the one is suspicious disorder, the who is to be suspicious of everything? So yes, you are suspicious of? Oh. Chalo, aage.
The news was found to be true. Rohit came back to the station and managed the schedules of train to give time for the team to fix the fault.
How many lines have passed by now?
Sir, 9.
How many lines left over for
1.
action? 1 line. अब तो action तो कुछ हुआ नहीं अभी तक. Has any action been taken till now? By the time 2-4 accident हो जाना चाहिए, 2-4 हजार आदमी मर जाएंगे, मरने दो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Okay. Okay, read it now. Quickly read it.
Lakshman, a boy of class 12 at his village, when he was returning from his village, saw that there was a big gap at the railway track, which may cause accident. In the meantime, train was coming in front of him at distance of 100 meters. Quickly, Lakshman took out his red handkerchief, swung it in air, and then seen by the train driver, and he stopped.
Need to give more details. Okay, next.
Yes. Rahul is a boy of 17 years. One day he was going for morning walk. Suddenly, Rahul saw something. The railway track passing through the region was broken at a place. He knew that the Rajshrani Express would be passing by that way after some time. He went to the nearby halt and informed the station master so that the train could be stopped before time. Thereafter, some of the workers came to the site to make the track. Rahul, along with his friends, helped them in doing so. In this way, an accident could be avoided.
Read the next one.
Mahindran was a student of class 12. He and his friends were going.
I just tried. I'm done. Have you understood how things are to be written?
Yes, sir.
Probably.
Now, it means you have to go a long way to You cannot afford to be going across in the present status. Am I right or am I wrong?
You're right, sir.
So if that is the status now, what we have talked about earlier, tip for success, just read it out quickly. What is the tip for success?
Don't simply describe what you see.
Next, concentrate
But
on.
picture for 30 seconds.
Next.
You realize you're given 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Do choose a positive hero.
Positive hero.
Don't forget to name the hero.
Next.
Take the scene
Take the
as one
sense
frame
as
of a
one
picture.
frame of a picture.
Do tell a positive story with a happy ending. Avoid catastrophic or sad settings. Do abstain from political or regional or unionism or unsocial and antisocial reference. Do not dramatize or idealize.
Yes, read here. Here avoids defeat, abandonment, surrender, flight, aggression, persecution, desire for power, obsession, cleanliness, saving money, arranging the objects from the erotism, sex, origin, or relationship, food expression. This is what is necessary as far as you are concerned, Kapis.
Right, sir.
3-4 story gone in that way. Do it from political, religious unionism. You do not dramatize or idealize. Next.
Don't allow the roles to overlap. Don't make sudden changes of direction. Do keep your prose calm. Do avoid personal and autobiographical reference. Avoid generating extra character. Use all characters in this picture.
Okay, so this was a one way. Okay, now we also talked about it. I'll just in
Let me just add that you both have been very lucky in the sense that we have spent a lot of time on story writing. Okay, one is a IT engineer and the other is a 12th class boy. In this batch, we have spent a lot of time in story writing. That only shows the story writing has got a lot of importance in SSB. Okay, right. Even in your screening test, there is a story writing.
Yes.
Correct? What is that?
Yes, sir.
What test is that?
PPDT, picture perception.
PPDT.
Yes. There also you have to write a story. TAT, again you have to write almost 12 stories. So story writing has got a lot of importance.
Not only that, the problem comes even you're telling a story to the interviewing officer, you are telling a story to GTO. What are you telling? Story writing has to be so important. It's only the story writing which is going to be there. What are you telling GTO interviewing officer? Only story that has passed. Isn't that a story?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And I think Ronnie has been extra lucky because we have spent a lot of time with you. Normally we
finish. I already have I had two tests and...
One second. Normally we finish that thing in...
Yes, sir.
Today is
my first start classes with Surabhi actually, sir. When there was a boy actually, and with Surabhi the class started actually. So when test was going on, I joined that time. So basically, I had
Don't justify. Today is your 17th day. Okay, go through your calendar and find out.
No, I don't know how many days have gone. I'm saying I just joined when I had almost 3 story writing tests almost.
Then that is quite a lot. Yes. You must have heard at least 3 sessions means at least about 30 to 40 stories.
Yes, sir.
Then.
Just a 7, let me. Okay, hold it. Just a second, I think. Okay. Notwithstanding same, I think now let's I have 10 words each. I think that's 10 words. Kapis Parut das.
Sir, I cannot.
Yeah. What?
Nothing is visible, sir.
I'm not going to say you take out from what I don't have words. Tell me what are you written? Words you have written right now?
जो आपने लिखा है वही बताओ.
Right, sir.
मैं थोड़ी happy then when you test part of it.
Sorry about that, sir. I have them here.
रोने के पास तो है नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं, मैं
पुराना वाला सर. वही बोल देंगे सर उसी वर्ड के ऊपर.
Commit to one's goal. Commit to
What
one's
is
goal.
Was
Sir,
it? Is it not command?
yes, sir, it's a command.
You will never commit to your goals. खाली कहानी बोलोगे कभी आज तक कमांड अभी तो गोल पर you have not stuck. That's the personality comes out. Now goal. Tell me.
Sorry, sir.
Ronnie, make a sentence.
Yes, sir.
You don't take.
I've written, no, the hard work leads to a नहीं क्या लिखा था सर?
अरे
Focus on your goal लिखा था सर.
Forget it.
Focus on your
क्या
goal
लिखा था कैसे याद आएगा?
Forget it.
Focus on your goal.
Focus. Is it not command again? You are not defocused. Again a command. Goal is essential for life. How does it take 10 years to think? Tell me. Which is next word?
Sir, actually, the word was commit, not goal.
Okay, let's commit. Commit का बोलो. Change the sentence now. Commitment is essential
for life.
Commitment is essential for goal achievement. Commitment is essential for goal achievement. Can't you do that? Yeah, you can use any form of the word. You may not even use the word. Then you can Ronnie, make a next sentence. Quick.
Sir, commitment is needed in a successful life.
Commitment?
One's commitment is needed for a successful life. Like for it.
Again, you confused. You don't confuse me further. Say again.
Commitment is needed for a successful life.
Okay, done. Okay, next one.
Victory belongs to those who work. Victory.
Okay. Follow.
The victory comes over success. Victory comes over defeat.
Why defeat? Why defeat?
Don't use that word, no? Defeat. Why you want to use
it?
Victory comes through planning, good planning.
Yeah.
Next.
A quick response of the officer saved many lives.
So what is it? Is statement of fact? Which quality emerge? क्या फायदा इसके लिखने का? What is the use? You have to project your quality. You don't have to describe a thing. Sentence अंग्रेजी थोड़ी बनाना है. Ronnie, quick.
Sir, quick decisions are quite effective.
Very good. That's all. Very good. Think it over. बोलो जल्दी. कभी next word. Same. Quick. Change it.
So quick. Success does not come quickly.
क्या बोलते हैं? Negative thought.
With hard work, success comes quickly.
Correct. Make another sentence. Ronnie, make another sentence with quick. It doesn't take 10 years, yeah. Yeah. सोचो जल्दी बोलो भाई why please deaf and dumb हो गए हो क्या तुम लोग think it over quick
thinking think quickly
well let's think it over
वही phrases जा रहे हैं actions speak than words.
Think it over. What's the problem?
Quick decision making is an essential quality of an officer.
Oh, what do you इतना नंबर 5,000 के sentence लिखो. You can't write it. Knowledge hastens quick decision. Yes or no?
Right, sir.
Simple. You don't complicate it. Knowledge hastens quick decision. Can be done or not? You have to bring out quality. You don't have to talk about it. Next.
Idle. Successful people do not sit around idly.
Okay, next. Ronnie. Idle.
One must not sit idle for.
Come on, word. Come on, come on.
Must, I guess, sir. Work for a success rather than being idle.
Scientists never sit idle. Can we say that?
Yes, sir. Whenever I work for a success rather than sitting idle.
Okay, wait, scientists don't sit idle. Wait, look at the positive.
Yes,
तुम लोग कहाँ दिमाग भगवान दिया है ना? Next बोलो.
Sir, noble. Blood donation is a noble practice.
Okay.
Work for a noble cause.
Again, come on. Teaching is the noblest profession.
Which we both are trying to do.
Yes.
Only people, now you have to think of, I can't really, you have to think, change your brain. Absolutely, you have to rewrite your brain. Rewrite. Have you understood how to talk about it? WAT?